Happy Navratri to all. Today we are making a Navratri special dosa. And also, if you like this interesting recipe, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for amazing videos like this. So let's get started. This is an amazing recipe because it will make you feel very happy and content on your fasting day. And you can make it every day as it's a very easy and delicious recipe. So, on to the recipe. The ingredients that we need for the dosa batter are half a tablespoon of sugar. I'm using caster sugar. Pepper as per your taste. If you like more spicy, then you can use more. And half a teaspoon of sendha namak, also known as black salt. 1 cup of sama ka chawal and 2 tablespoons of sabudana. So let's get started. So the first step that we need to follow is combine the rice, that is 1 cup that I told you, and the sabudana together and grind them in a mixer until fine powder. So I've blended the rice and sabudana in the mixer for 2 minutes and it should be in a fine powder like this. Now we will add the sendha namak or the salt, the sugar and the pepper. And we're going to use a whisk instead and mix that until well combined. And now we will gradually add water. I am adding about a cup of water and again adding gradually. And it should be in a thin consistency. So I'm just going to continue mixing it. So now our batter is ready. We'll just mix it once more as the rice settles down. So now our pan is piping hot. What we will do is add a teaspoon of oil and then let it spread out on its own, or even you can also spread it like this. Then after spreading it, we have to take a cloth or even a tissue paper and just remove all that now. That's done. Now before you put the batter, just mix it as the rice settles down. Then take a ladle full and just spread it. Be really careful as you might get little splashes. And then let that cook. So I'm gonna just turn up the heat more. So as you can see, small bubbles are appearing. Then after these bubbles have popped, we will flip it using a wooden spatula or a spoon, as this is non-stick. So the dosa is done from one side. Now we have to flip it, as it's a really thin dosa. And you can see while we poured it, all the bubbles are there and it looks really good. It's like a special design. It looks really crispy, just like rava dosa. They both are similar. Now we will let it cook from the other side also and then put it onto the plate. Now we will repeat the process with all of them. Now we will make aloo ki sabzi to go with our dosa. So the first step is to add a teaspoon of oil. Now we will add the jeera, about half a teaspoon of jeera. And we'll let it roast. Now we will add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now we will add the sendha namak, also known as rock salt, again about half a teaspoon. And mix it with the turmeric and the jeera. Now we'll put the potatoes. I've already chopped them. And mix it with the jeera, salt and haldi together. Whatever spice you eat, during your fast, you can also add that to the potato mixture. Now I will add 2 whole dry red chilies. So our Vrat special dosa and aloo ki sabzi is ready. I also sprinkled some coriander on top. So let's have a taste and see.